Dawn dishwashing detergent, more than just a grease fighter. We've all heard that jingle, Dawn takes grease out of your way. It's a household name, a trusted ally in battling stubborn grease and grime. But did you know that Dawn dishwashing detergent is capable of so much more? We'll uncover the hidden potential of this versatile product and explore its myriad uses beyond the kitchen sink. DIY cooler packs. Need to keep your drinks cool on a scorching day? Simply freeze a mixture of Dawn and water in a Ziploc bag to create homemade cooler packs. Not only do they keep beverages really chilled, but they're also reusable, making them a cost-effective alternative to store-bought ice packs. Bug spray. With a few teaspoons of Dawn diluted in water, you can make your own bug spray. While it may take a bit longer to dispatch pests compared to commercial insecticides, Dawn's effectiveness in eliminating unwanted critters like yellow jackets, flies, and even black widows makes it a very worthy contender in your battle against bugs. Anti-fogging agent for glasses. On hot, sweaty days, glasses can quickly fog up, impairing vision and causing frustration. A dab of Dawn on the inside lens can prevent fogging, providing clear sight even in the most humid conditions. Plus, it doubles as a cleaner for sweaty or smudged glasses, ensuring crystal clear visibility. Weed killer. Tired of battling pesky weeds in your driveway or garden? Mix Dawn with vinegar, salt, and water to create a potent weed killer. This homemade solution effectively eliminates unwanted vegetation, leaving your outdoor spaces looking pristine and weed-free. I personally use this all the time. It does need to be reapplied about every 2 weeks. Protect your plants. Transform Dawn soap into a bug-killing spray for your plants. You can easily mist the liquid over the plants in your survival garden to protect your food from bugs. To do this, simply combine 2 tablespoons of Dawn dish liquid with 1 quart of water into a spray bottle and spritz it over all the parts of your plants. The liquid won't harm your plants or you, but the soap will leave a residue on the plants that bugs hate. Always make sure to wash your produce before eating. Shampoo replacement. Few preppers will be able to depend on their expensive shampoos to clean their greasy hair once SHTF happens, especially in long-term bug-out scenarios. Luckily, Dawn dish soap is here to help. This liquid's primary use is to cut grease, which makes it a great shampoo alternative. And luckily, it also doesn't damage your hair or skin. Lather it into your hair. Rinse it out with hot water, and it'll leave your scalp and hair oil-free. Grease spot remover. Say goodbye to unsightly grease spots on your driveway, garage floor, or your clothes. A thorough spray down with Dawn and water can lift stubborn grease stains from concrete surfaces, restoring them to their former glory with minimal effort. Stop the spreading. Poison ivy blisters can be an enormous pain, literally and figuratively, and it can spread extremely easily through the oil in the blister. Stop the spreading by cleaning the affected areas with Dawn dish soap. This will clear out the oil and help speed up the healing process. Pipe cleaner. When grease clogs up your pipes, Dawn comes to the rescue. Its powerful degreasing properties help clear out stubborn buildup, restoring proper drainage and preventing costly plumbing issues. Window cleaner. For streak-free windows, look no further than Dawn. Mixed with water, it makes an excellent cleaner for glass surfaces, providing clarity and shine with every wipe. Remove ice from concrete. To help you avoid slipping on icy sidewalks, driveways, and other concrete materials in the winter, you can create a concoction of Dawn dish soap, 1 tablespoon, rubbing alcohol, 1 tablespoon, and hot water, a half gallon. Pour the mixture over the icy concrete, and the liquid will not only de-ice the walkways, it will also help prevent the surfaces from refreezing. Laundry detergent. In a pinch, Dawn can double as laundry detergent. Combine it with borax, washing soda, and water for a DIY laundry solution that tackles tough stains and leaves clothes clean and fresh. Unclog your toilet. Toilets can be some of your greatest assets while bugging in. However, if they get clogged, it can create a real hassle for you and your family. So to unclog them, simply pour 1 cup of Dawn dish soap into the toilet and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. When the time is up, add a bucket of water to the bowl and your toilet should flush and be good to go. Pet shampoo. Keep your furry friends clean and fresh with a bath using Dawn dishwashing detergent. Gentle yet effective, Dawn removes dirt and grime from your pet's coat, leaving them smelling great and feeling soft. We've all seen the commercials of Dawn being used to clean wildlife after oil spills, and it is 100% safe. From household chores to outdoor maintenance, Dawn dishwashing detergent proves to be a versatile and indispensable asset in any home. Its ability to tackle grease and grime extends far beyond the kitchen sink, making it a must-have in your arsenal of cleaning supplies. So the next time you reach for that familiar blue bottle, remember, Dawn is not just for dishes, it's a solution for countless household tasks and emergencies alike. And be sure you're stocking up on the original blue bottle of Dawn, not any of the newer, fancier versions. It's super inexpensive to buy, so get it in bulk. There are lots of reasons Dawn is great to stockpile. Let me know your thoughts and ideas in the comments. And check out this video YouTube has chosen for you to watch next based on your own viewing history.